Hey guys, this is Lampang Warmi. So today, I gotta service my car is Sakura Motor i2 EV, so let's go.
Welcome to Sakura Motor Thailand. Would you like to help?
So service my car, I got a 1,000 kilometers.
Okay, please park your car.
Thanks you. So Sakura Motor i2 EV has service 1 hour. And my car check is tire, engine, battery and any more, so I gonna wait my car. I gonna watch the cars at dealership Sakura Motor. So cars is any more model at Sakura Motor. Ho is Sakura Motor M3 has grand opening at TSTV Songkran Concert Festival 2023 day 2 with new color. Is Isle Gray with for WD terrain command can change the to high, for high and for low. Sakura Motor i4 EV is look like Sakura Motor M3 with a WD, with wheel drive automatic, with automatic transmission 6-speed Revtronic. This is Sakura Motor M for and M for Pro, so is saved fuel cars. With 4-wheel drive terrain command is look like Isuzu. Sakura Motor M5 and M5 Plus is SUV car save fuel cars. Is second of Sakura Motor SUV with 2 transmission with auto brake hold. So this is Sakura Motor M4 and M4 Pro Phantom Series limited edition with new color is Isle Gray and White Pearl. Interior is two-tone black and gray. This is the all-new Sakura Motor i1 EV is top. X color mint pastel. I love this car, is so cute. So Sakura Motor I series is i1 EV, i2 EV, i3 EV, i4 EV and i5 EV is electric car is good car.
Thanks for service, Sakura Motor. So goodbye.
Bye. So thanks for watching, so please subscribe, like and comment. So goodbye.